KTCचा विषय तुमचा टाइम एंड अगेन येईल. What assurances you have given on all these three topics?
See, I was very clear in the house. If you have not understood, I am explaining again. As far as buses are concerned, it is a known fact that there are less number of buses available. 15-year-old buses, as per central directives, have to be scrapped. तितल्योच बस्यो उण्यो जाल्यो, रुटार तितल्यो बस्यो आमकां काडच्यो पडल्यो. आतां आमी हें कशें कवर अप करता आनी आमकां कित्याक शॉर्टफॉल येता. जे आमकां इलेक्ट्रिकल बसीज येवपा जाय आशिल्ल्यो फ्रॉम Electra, that company which has given us EV buses, have not come. They have not been able to deliver in time, and they have now given a new schedule that they will complete the delivering of the remainder of the buses by January 2025, which also I don't have much faith in them. In fact, I have just cleared a file to write to the center about that company, because they should also know that Goa has this problem. But more important than this, at the initiative of the Chief Secretary of Goa, Mr. Puneet Goyal, IIT alumni, under CSR, they do a lot of work. They have agreed to give us around 500 buses for free, but they will how to run it, how it is to be operated, how the special purpose vehicle is to be formed. All that is being done at the moment. Once formalities are completed, at least if not the coming cabinet, in a week's time, whichever cabinet meeting we have, it will be cleared. Then once that is cleared, we will, after following the due process, we will see to it that this fructifies and Goa gets the 500 buses which are going to be gifted to us by this particular IIT alumni, and we are very grateful to them that they thought about Goa. This is going to be the game changer. आमकां जाय तितल्यो बसीज मेळटल्यो. हे हांवें काल स्पश्टपणे असेंब्लीन सांगलां तुमकां कोणा तरी.
Sir, one more thing is that काल पंचायतीचो विषय खूब येयलो. तो विजय जावं, तो राजेश फळदेसाय जावं, एलिगेशन, गार्बेजाचो इशू, all those issues. So what action? So what would you be taking action? Sir?
See, I think there were not many issues. If you look at the last session and this session, there were less issues. That means issues are getting solved. Garbage handle korpa, there are certain practical problems. That's why what I have very clearly said, even that file incidentally I have cleared just now, we are empanelling a list of contractors who handle garbage, professional ones, in consultation with Goa Waste Management Corporation, in consultation with Goa Pollution Control Board. Once they are empaneled, the choice to choose the contractor will lie with the panchayat concerned. तुमका उनको contractor जाय. Apart from this, if they are handling garbage well, there are some panchayats which are handling garbage well. Already they have got contractor on board. तेंचे व्यवस्थितपणे चलता. आमी तेंका डिस्टर्ब करपा ना. राजेश फळदेसाचे दुसरो एक विषय आशिल्लो. कोण एकटो थिंगा पंचायत मेंबरूच आसा तो काडून गार्बेज उदकान उडयता म्हूण, आनी तेणें स्वताचें क्लीन केलां. तेणें आमकां म्हणजे क्लियरली आमकां हेंय दाखयलें, म्हणजे पिक्चर्स ऑफ दॅट एंड व्हिडिओ एंड ऑल दॅट. As per the rules, whatever action is to be taken, we will take the action. I immediately gave it to the Director Panchayat for necessary action.
Return calls like that.
See, when I handle a job, as it is said, our job is hazardous. That is one of the occupational hazard. I don't care for this type of threats or anything. I have never cared. I am a person who came down from the grassroots level, from a student movement, right from 50% fee hike concession, right from fighting for Kohani to be made official language, right from statehood to be granted to Goa. So ते म्हाका कांय न्यू ना. कोण थ्रेटन करता, कोण धमकी दिता, म्हाजो स्टँड चेंज करतलो. My stand is very clear for Goa and Goans that we need the app taxi. We need to adopt technology for the future everywhere. That's why we are going digital. आमी फाटी उरपा शकना. आमी बुलॉक कार्टाचेर वयताले, हॉर्स कार्टाचेर वयताले, म्हणजे मोटरां आमी यूज करनासले. आज आमी फास्ट तरेतरेची मोटरां यूज करता. पोल्युशन जाता मग आमी यूज करप ना. ते असल्यो गोश्टी जावन आसा. आनी एक एग्जाम्पल दिलें काल उदाहरण, म्हणजे कितें, आतां फ्लिपकार्ट, स्नॅपडील, ॲमेझॉन ऑर्डर करता, घरा बसून तुमच्या फोनाचेर तुम्ही घरा पावता तुमचे पार्सल, तुमकां जाय तशें वेवस्थीतपणे जाय ती वस्तू मेळटा. कोणाचो शोरूम आसा, मॉल आहा म्हूण आमी लोकांक ना ते मॉलान वचपाकूच जाय आनी थिंगा घेवपा जाय, ह्यो असल्यो गोश्ट्यो जाल्यो. सो आय लिसन बट एट द सेम टायम आमचे जे टॅक्सीवाले आहा ते आमचेच भाव, ते एक मिसअंडरस्टँडींग घर समज घेवन बसला. समटायम्स इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट ओल्ड स्कूल ऑफ थॉट टू चेंज युअर थॉट. ते विचार जे मनान आहा मातशे बदल हाडपा जाय, चिंतपाची एक हांव समजता तुका हें आसपा जाय, पेशन्स आसपा जाय आनी ते तरी तेणी बरे भाशेन म्हणजे चिंतले, तेंचेच बरेपणान कितें जाता तें जाता तेणी समजपा जाय.
In one government, there are two apps. What would you like on this?
See, there is no question of in one government there is two apps. One app was promoted by Tourism Development Corporation, which is adopted by Transport Department. The other app is directly promoted by the Tourism Department itself, along with the IT department. I had no objection. Even I am now saying, let the taxi association come up with their own app. तुम्ही तुमचे ओन ॲप करा म्हणजे आमकां म्हाका कांयच ऑब्जेक्शन ना. वयल्यान हांव तांकां हेल्प करता म्हणून सांगला. आय वील फायनान्स इट ऑल्सो सो दॅट दे फील कम्फर्टेबल. तांकां दिसपा जायना आमी तांकां लोटून खंय तरी घालता. तुम्ही तुमचे ॲप करा. सो वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लेम?
काल टॅक्सीकारांनी आनीक सांगिल्लें की तांकां तो टोल नाका आनी समज टोल आसा
टोलाचो इशू जो आसा
थंयसरूच तांकां ड्रॉप करतले
ना
म्हणून
ना
टुरिस्टांक
तो
व्हरतले.
टोलाचो जो इशू आसा दॅट इज विथ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सर्फेस ट्रान्सपोर्ट. एवरीवेअर एल्स दे पे टोल. Honorable Chief Minister is seized of the matter. Representations were also made to Union Transport Minister. So let them decide what is to be done. I will not interfere in that part. But one thing I want to say, law, procedures, adoption of certain things which undergo change is the duty of everyone. तुमकांच एक वेगळेपणान सेंटर चलोवपाक शकना. ताका लागून तेणी मातशें ते फॉलो करपा जाय.
थँक्यू सर.